All right, hey everybody. Hope that all is well. Hope you're not freaking out too much about what the market has been doing. I wanted to take a quick dive into things and see how things are going. So, of course, I'm taking a look at UOS. All right, now, it just so happens that this thing, when I was talking about it the other day, I actually said this is not a point that I would usually advise to buy. If you could maybe wait for like a 30% dip or something like that, that would be great. And lo and behold, UOS decides to give us some Christmas shopping, right? This was a 50% drop, guys, all the way from like $2.50. We went as low as 120. All right. So that is, when you see strong coins like this come down like this, great buying opportunity, right? Because of course, when I talked about UOS, I wasn't talking about buying UOS for the next 3 months. I'm talking about that being a long-term hold, right? Because of what they're building, what the team is building. So, and as you can see, this thing is coming from 5 cents. Whoa, man. From 5 cents a year ago. Just take a look at what can happen in a year, right? From 5 cents a little over a year ago to going up to $2.50. That's a 50x, guys. 50x in 1 year. I'll say it again. 50x in 1 year. Okay? Incredible. All right. So that's UOS. Keep an eye on basic attention token. BAT has been looking good, right? As you can see, it came right down here to the median, 93 cents, and has had a strong bounce and is still looking strong here, right? I picked up some more basic attention token. Basic attention token actually just recently released their Brave wallet. So everything is fully integrated into the browser, and it's also going to be a DeFi wallet and everything as well. So that's really big for basic attention token. I think BAT is a good buy. Just about anything is a good buy at this point, in my humble opinion. I picked up some more INX as well. But please pay attention. I guess this is the story of all stories, is what Ethereum is doing, right? Ethereum, after it dropped to 3,500, right, now back up to 4,200, 20% bounce. Bitcoin pretty much did the same thing, right? Went down to 40,000, came up to 49,000. So that's 20% as well. But Ethereum looking the strongest of all. And when Ethereum does well, that bodes well for the altcoins. If we look at the candle body close of these two highs right here, we've broken above that, and now we have actually closed 4. We have closed 4 weekly candles above this level. That's, in my opinion, that's a good sign. This is 4 weekly candles now above that level. So watch out for that for Ethereum. Okay. Everybody's wondering what Bitcoin's going to do. Nobody knows. But for right now, it's still above the 50-week moving average. Will we see a retest down here to where this wick was at 42,000? That would also probably take us close to the bottom of this Bollinger Band right here. But for now, I was talking about us getting a higher low close, right? And we did get that on the weekly candles. We got a higher low close. So far, we've 2 candles now staying above this range right here, right? This 47,000 to 48.5 range. Look at how the candles are interacting with that. We've had 2 candle closes above it so far, and 2 wicks showing buying pressure right there, right? So let's hope that the bulls can stay strong and push things back up and get things back in gear. But for right now, even though we had this candle wick down here, it was not a lower high. I mean, it was not a lower low. It was still a higher low. That's important. Going down to the wicks, look at these other wicks down here. These were at 40,000. This one came down to 42,000. So that still constitutes a higher low. So in the meantime, that's still a good thing. But again, we have to be cautious. Still got to be vigilant. Let's look at this on the monthly. Let me see what the RSI. Ooh. That is something that I'm not very happy to see, to be honest. Coming from all the way up here on the monthly, cooling off, retesting and going all the way back up to the previous high, but we posted a significantly lower high on the RSI. I got to be honest with you, that is something that I'm not crazy about. So I'm going to be watching this thing very, very carefully. Back down to 34,000 would take us back down to the median line of the monthly, on the monthly time frame. That would take us back down to the median line, and that would also, are we forming like a double top here again? That would not be good. That would really suggest like $18,000 to $20,000 Bitcoin in the short term. Long term, I'm not worried. I'm not concerned at all. Long term, okay, not concerned at all. We're just talking about short term here. But anyway, those are things to look out for. So you got good buying opportunities on, like I said, UOS, Basic Attention Token, INX. I mean, XRP, for those that can buy it, that's down to what, 70 something cents or something. So it's consider it some Christmas shopping time. Could we have more downside? We absolutely could. Will we? I don't know. We got to wait and see. So let's continue to watch the charts, look carefully at the levels of support and resistance. And like on this monthly now, what would be very bullish on the monthly chart, okay? If we could, let me get it like that. Let me get this at the bottom, the bodies of these candles right here. So when you look at the actual bodies of these candles right here on the monthly, we actually look, well, this month isn't over yet. Month just started actually. So, but for December, it's still good if we could see a close above this line. So within this, above this purple line, we close above that. That's still a very, very good sign. All right. So of course, this month has just started. Unfortunately, the month has just started. Went down and has gotten some buying pressure. A lot of times you see at least a retest. So again, looking out to see if that $40,000 to $42,000 level is going to be retested. But more importantly, paying attention to how this monthly candle closes, because if we can stay above this, that's a good sign for upward continuation. If we close below this, I'm not that excited about that, guys, to be honest. All right, but look out for that, and yeah, we'll continue to watch the charts and pay attention to what's going on. Jasmy, no, I haven't talked about Jasmy in quite some time, guys. Jasmy actually still looks pretty good. I mean, despite all this, as you can see, Jasmy has done exactly what I said I expected it to do, which was come up to this 27-cent level, come back down here and retest this breakout level, this level that we broke out from, which was about 10 cents, 10 cents. We've come back down there, but we're still above this line. So, whew, wow, that, okay, not too crazy about that. But anyway, right, we're still above this level, right? If we're still above this level, that still bodes well for Jasmy, okay? This could be a temporary bump in the road on the monthly chart, though. Look at this. The next resistance on the monthly chart is 98 cents. So, I think Jasmy still has some gas left in the tank. I believe it does. Watch out for it in the coming weeks or months. All right? Okay, guys. Take care. Talk again.